Hello friends, welcome once again to Exponential online math class. In this video, we are going to discuss the exponential growth and decay. So the usefulness of compound interest formula is seen in predicting future growth and also future decay. When I talk about growth, I'm talking about appreciation, while decay is known as depreciation. So look at this problem here. Supposing you have a farm or any business you know that increases at a constant rate with time, and you want to know what you have in maybe in a few given years to come, you can actually employ mathematical knowledge and the compound interest formula to deal with problems like this. So this is telling us that in 2006 that there were 1,000 fowls in a poultry. The population grows 8% every year. At this rate, how many rabbits will there be in the poultry by 2021? Now, the compound interest formula for growth is telling us that the amount of fowls that will be there is given by the initial number of fowls that is there. We can represent it with P into 1 plus the rate, then raised to the power of time. So the total amount will now be the initial value P, which is a compound interest, we call it principal. The initial value of fowls, which is 1,000. Then 1 plus rate is 8%. And 8% means 8 divided by 100, which is 0.08. 8% means 8 over 100. That will give you 0.08. Then raised to the power of time. The time is the number of years. From 2006 to 2021 means 2021 minus 2006. When you take this subtraction, you'll be getting 15 years. So our time is 15. So our amount becomes 1,000 into 1 plus 0.08 will give us 1.08, then raised to the power of 15. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to raise 1.08 to the power of 15. Whatever we get, we multiply it by 1,000, and that will give us the total number of fowls that will be present there. Okay, when I raise 1.08 to the power of 15, it will give me our A will now be 1,000 times 1.08 power of 15. It is something as 3.172, maybe approximately to 3 decimal places. Then when I multiply this value by 1,000, it will give me roughly 3,172 fowls. So you can see that by 2021, the number of fowls that will be seen in that poultry will be 3,172 fowls, roughly. Okay, and again, the increase is now more than the original value because initially it was 100. So it was 1,000. So in 15 years to come, the number of fowls that will be there will be 3,172. So let's take a second problem where we shall discuss depreciation. Okay, for the second problem, this one concerns depreciation or decay. You see that the value of the new car in 2015 was 40,000 naira. Now we are told that the value of the car depreciates by 7% each year. So how much will the car be worth in 2024? So from 2015 to 2024 is around 9 years. So time T is equal to 9 years, because from 2015 to 2024 is 9 years. Then the rate R is 7%, and 7% is 0.07. The initial value of the car, which is our P, is 40,000 naira. Now, because this is depreciating, we are told that it's decaying, it's depreciating. Look at the formula you use. A is P into 1 minus rate, then to the power of time. This time around here will no longer be plus, it will be minus. So for something that is appreciating or something that is growing, here is plus, but for something that is decaying or depreciating, here is minus. Okay, so now our A, which is the total value in 9 years time, will now be initial value of 40,000 into 1 minus the rate is now 0.07, then time is 9 years. So our A will now be 40,000 into 1 sorry, 1 minus 0.07 should give us around 0.93. That should be the value, 0.93, then to the power of 9. So our A becomes 40,000 multiplied by 0.93 to the power of 9. So let us find 0.93 to the power of 9. So 0.93 raised to the power of 9 will give us 0.5204, maybe to 4 decimal places. Then we multiply by 40,000, then times 40,000. That will give us 20,816 naira 44 kobo roughly. So this should be the value of this car in 9 years time. So you can see that the value has reduced from 40,000 to 20,816 because it is decaying with time. When you buy something newly, with time the value will keep on reducing. Unlike land, only piece of land that you buy, the value appreciates so much with time because of demand. So if you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, following me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at for Online Maths, so that you'll be notified each time a new video is uploaded. Thank you and God bless you for viewing.